guys, welcome back for another Motu review, and this time will be Masters of the Universe Stridor Heroic Armor War Horse. Okay, you do see that I buy this new for 22, and here is Stridor with basically the Skeletor in the back and the Rotars. Okay, and Fisto and He-Man riding Stridor into battle. And you can see Sunman at the background there. Alright, and here's a look at the box art right here. And you have Stridor in the window. It says retroplay. This is a bigger Stridor than I remember. It comes with blast effects. Okay, it's a bit bigger than the original one. Don't have the original to show you. So here is a window view of Stridor before I open Stridor out. Okay, here's the side view. Okay, I think this is Dragon Blaster's Skeletor's dragon, I guess. Okay, and here at the back you do have the dragon again, the Motu symbol. Sorry, the Motu box symbol and art. Here's the box at the back. Okay. Okay, then one half horse, one half war machine. Stridor carries the heroes of Return to Victory. Okay, and here is the back, the feature of Stridor. I can remove the headpiece. This is where he mounts on the. You can pose Stridor on the stable, or basically the stable for Stridor. It connects to Castle Grayskull. You can see here, and here's a cross cell at the back. We have all the recent waves, wave 7. All right, yep, that's basically it. And here you have some Stridor's box art at the back. Yeah, there's only one assembly required. Okay, so let's open him up and we have a look more on Stridor. Hi guys, here is Stridor out of the box. Okay, there you see he's still wrapped nicely with his helmet, 2 guns, and also the blast effects. Here is blue, you can't see it very clearly. Alright, here you can see some stickers at the back. You can see basically the attachments. Okay, all this. Alright. Okay, and also a stand. He comes with a stand right here. Here the weapons, a closer look. Alright, and let's get him out for review. Alright guys, and here are the accessories that comes with Stridor. Okay, let's put this in. I'll show you the one that requires assembly. Just put this in right here. Okay, this connects to Castle Grayskull. Just pack it in right here. Let's try the other way. Yeah, this is the correct way. Slot it in, and here is where you can mount Stridor. Okay, right. Okay, and here's the bottom view. Very nice. Okay, the stable is quite stable. Okay, if you know what I mean. Alright, yep, quite nicely done. This, of course, obviously goes up and down, or it does rotate. Alright, after this comes with blast effects. So it looks like a missile. Okay, let me focus in a bit. Okay, this is much clearer now. Okay, this is made out of soft plastic. Right, there are 3 of them. 2 more right here. And it comes with the horse armor. I mean, for the head, it's quite nice. It's nicely sculpted. It's made of soft plastic, as you can see right here. Okay, so here's the horns. Okay, yeah, that's much it. It's not colored. Yeah, it comes with the blasters for Stridor. It's made out of a hard plastic. And here are the reins for Stridor, made up of the holders are basically of hard plastic, and this is just only a rope right here. Hi guys, this is Stridor out of the box. Okay, you do see him, he is a bit bigger than the original Stridor. I can't show you the original Stridor because I don't have one. Okay, this is my own experience with Stridor. I didn't have him when I was basically when the original line came out. Alright, you do see is in a silverish color, a bit of red in the helmet on his helmet and tail, and some orange parts and a bit silverish, color. All right, and here is Stridor for you. All right, here is his face sculpt basically. All right, it looks pretty nice, and this is the original Stridor. You can remove this headpiece or the helmet, and the helmet is made up of soft plastic. Okay, so it comes with two versions. This is the non-battle battle version. This one more represents the classics Stridor when you put it on. However, before you put it on, Stridor basically comes with his signature Cybertronic face. His eyelids are painted basically blue. Okay, he has articulations on his neck, three-part articulation, 1, 2, and 3. You can rotate his head all the way 360. Okay, you can let him look up, let him look down, and also bend him up and down this way, so you can see three parts of it. It does bend a bit better than the original one. Okay, and you do see his face on the other side as well. And once you put this in, you do see from afar it does look like the classics version of Stridor right here. Alright guys, he does look menacing. Okay, and let's take this out, put this back in, so he looks like the original one. Okay, and for his if you look closer at his there's a sticker, let's look at the original one, and it's this Motu new line comes with the stickers attached on it. So at the back you do see here's some stickers, and also there, and here you can see a turret behind. You can rotate it left and right. It does not pop out. Alright, okay, he also has his tail, which is nicely sculpted this time, not just plain tail, just go left and right as well. Alright, and let's look underneath Stridor. This is where you put the you stand him on the stand, which it comes in, and he does basically stand on his stable. It looks more nice. And for his articulation for his legs, he has basically three-part articulation. He can bend his leg, bend his knee, and you have a foot articulation here. You can just move back and forth. Okay, you can just also rotate the legs up this way and put it down. Okay, and as for the back legs, you can rotate it back and forth, but you do hear that ratchet sound, so it's pretty tight. Do see some details here, mechanical details on his legs, which is pretty nice. He does bend also at the knee and also the foot right here, left and right. Okay, So this is the how Stridor looks like right now. And if you do zoom in a bit right here, you do see that this is made from Mattel 2021, last year. However, you do look closer, you can see the details on Stridor at the sides, left and right. Okay, and you can, there's a seat for He-Man or Fisto. You can put him there. All right, and let's take a look more on Stridor. Just forget to mention his mouth is articulated as well. It's spring-loaded right here. Okay, you can put this rope in just at this part right here, so then you'll be able to hold together and let the Masters of the Universe characters hold it. So this is the reins basically for Stridor. Alright, let's put this in. Okay, put this in right here. This is the side weapons for Stridor. Put it in here as well. I do this part right. It does rotate up and down. Alright, you do have blast effects. Okay, 3 blast effects which comes in the package. You can put it, you can slide it in right here. Slide it in right there. And Stridor is now armed to the teeth. And at the back there's a turret which you can put the blast effects in as well. Alright, so you do see Stridor having all manner of weapons attached to him right now. Let's put his head up. Looks nicer this way. Alright guys, here's a stable which you can put Stridor in. Alright, you just here's Stridor. Let's put him in his stable mode. Put it in right here and pack it in just like this. Goes in right here. Okay, as soon as you pack it in, Stridor, you can let him stand this way. Alright, and this is depicting him like basically a horse in a stable. Yeah, you look at this, very nice, very nicely done. Alright, here you can see Stridor in all of his glory in on his stable. Alright, he's standing pretty nice. This part here is also removable. Here's the side of Stridor with all his weapons armed to the teeth. It came off, just give me a minute. Right, this is how he looks like. It's indeed a nice character, or a nice addition to have for your Motu vehicles and also vehicles line. To remove Stridor, just come over here and just pack it out. It's very simple. Okay, it's easy to remove as well. Okay, next we would like to let you see how the Masters of the Universe figures fits in here. Here you have Fisto. So you can, if you want to let him sit in there, you need to let him sit in this position right here. Just take this out, just slot him in, right? and let him hold the reins of Stridor right here. Okay, and he barely sits because there's no space there. So yep, this is how it would look like with Fisto holding the reins for Stridor. Okay, so yeah, it's a very beautiful masterpiece for Stridor. So I would recommend that you get him. He is a very actually you actually save a lot of money with him. So I bet everyone is dying to get him. So he is a must get for if you're Motu completionist. Alright, and let's take this out and put the other helmet in to see how he looks like. He looks much more menacing now with his new helmet. Alright, and if you do like the review, click on the subscribe button below and click subscribe. This will help me bring you more reviews in the future. Coolball 2008 signing out. Lastly, the range should be put in this way. Okay, so this is the correct way. Just wanted to highlight.